Astoria Park for you guys to see live July 4th weekend fireworks that happens here every year, and except for like last 2 years because of COVID there wasn't any fireworks anywhere in this New York area. So I am here 2022 July 4th fireworks, friends. So it's going to happen here in Astoria Park, right next to that train bridge. And also I mean, this is here and happening right now in Astoria Park. So I hope you guys like it, and thank you for joining, friends. So here it is. Look at all the people, friends. Hopefully I get to show you guys a good view. I mean, I'm just sitting underneath the tree right now, but hopefully that's not going to obstruct the view. Hopefully the fireworks is going to be this side, right near the bridge. So hope so, friends, you get a good view of the fireworks. So I think it's going to start soon. We're not sure what time exactly. They said 7:30, but it's almost 8 o'clock, so I think they're going to start soon. So friends, enjoy, sit back, and happy July 4th, everyone. And friends, as I was walking around the park to show you what was happening with other parts of the park, I came across those two elderly couple, like just having a wonderful time, and then they were dancing the swing dance. They were just having so much fun. And as for the music, I had to change the music because of the copyright issues, and I'm going to change a different music.
Mr. Zach Alexander, our own Frank Sinatra right there. Woo! One more time, let's hear it for the Swing Time Big Band. Woo! Especially our lead trumpet player back there, Mr. Ron Fox. Yes, sir. There is another special 100th birthday that we are celebrating all this year. Another superstar, first of music and then of film, and probably very close to Frank Sinatra in the superstardom and the level of fame and adulation of the fans. We're celebrating this year Miss Judy Garland's 100th birthday. Are any Judy Garland fans out there? Yeah. We're celebrating Judy, and she was particularly close to the music of Harold Arlen, who wrote so many hits that she made famous. This is a song that Harold Arlen wrote with Ted Koehler called When the Sun Comes Out, and it fits perfectly in our Sunrise Serenade program, so we thought we'd bring it to you now. We're going to bring Miss Bobby Ruth to the stage. Whoa, hello.
Sorry.
To do When the Sun Comes Out, and hopefully without feedback.
Just want to make sure you could see me.
And friends, as you see, it's a beautiful evening today, and also people are like, waiting to watch the fireworks. After a few years, due to COVID, there was no fireworks in New York area. And also, friend, it's just a happy, moment, or like it makes me feel really grateful and happy that we are here to witness this fireworks for 2022 at Astoria Park, and see all the people have like a lot of smiles on their faces, and the kids, the kids are playing. It's just a wonderful feeling, friends.
Miss Bobby Ruth, give her a big hand.
Thank you.
Our own Judy Garland right there. Also Ron Fox on the lead trumpet. Mark Opas on the solo trumpet. All right, we are going to do one more tune in this set. We'll take a short break, get some blood back into our faces before the next set, and leave you with fireworks. So we're going to leave you now with Blessing.
Remember last time I showed you guys where this was closed? So this is where all the kids are playing right now. Oh, and then the swimming pool looks ready, but I don't think they're letting any people in the swimming pool yet. So this is where they have all the water sprinklers, and that is the swimming pool. Wow. So looks like, since the school is out now, so they're gonna let people in and come and enjoy the swimming pool. Let me get the camera in. So this is the swimming pool, guys, of Astoria Park. Like how huge it is. And it's going to be flooded with people. That's the locker room up there. If you see it, locker room. Wow, it's going to be so much fun this summer, because I think this was closed for last 2 years. And this year they have opened it. And friends, finally the wait is over. It's going to start any minute. And friends, please enjoy the fireworks. It's going to be beautiful. And here it is. This is the fireworks started for July 4th Independence firework here in Astoria Park. And friends, I hope you liked my video. If you did, please do like, share and comment. And friends, happy July 4th and happy independence to all my friends here in the United States. And friends, share lots of love, happiness and peace to you all. Thank you everyone.